welcome back, guys. Let's solve this Olympiad equation together. Okay, so the first thing I do here is to cross this over to this side. So I have 2 raised to the power x plus 1 becomes equal to 3 raised to the power 2x. Okay, now I can decide to take the logarithm of both sides. So I'm going to have log 2 raised to the power x plus 1 to be equal to log of 3 raised to the power 2x. Alright, now let me explain something quickly. In log, we have a law that says that log of a raised to the power x is equal to x log a. Okay, so when you have a logarithm of a number raised to a power, they can be written as the power multiplying the log of that number. Okay, so we're going to use this knowledge here and apply it here. All right, so we're going to have this now is not the power. This is the power for this side. So we're going to use this power to multiply this log. I just want to multiply this log. Okay, so we'll have x plus 1 multiplying log of 2. All right, and also we have 2x multiplying log of 3. Now I can give an instruction. I can say let me divide both sides by 2x. So let me divide this side by 2x and divide this side by 2x. So what I have here, 2x will take 2x. So that what I'm left with is log 3 on this side and to be equal to x plus 1 over 2x times log 2. Okay. Now, let me just divide both sides by log of 2. Alright. So I'm going to divide here by log of 2 and divide this side by log of 2. So log of 2 will take log of 2. So that what I'm left with is x plus 1 over 2x to be equal to log of 3 over log of 2. Alright. Now, log of 3 over log of 2 is equal to 1.58 approximately. Alright. And this is x plus 1 over 2x. Now, cross multiplying, we are going to have 2x times 1.58 is 3.169x on this side. What you have on this side is still x plus 1. Right? Now, collecting like terms, I'm going to have that 1 is equal to 3.169x minus x. This becomes equal to 2.169x. Hence, x is equal to 1 over 2.169. This means that x is equal to 0.461. And this is the answer to this question. Now, to cross-check our answer for accuracy's sake, alright? Let's cross-check our answer to know if we are actually accurate. So we had in the question before that 2 raised to the power x plus 1 is equal to 3 raised to the power 2x. Just let's start from here. Now, we said our x is 0.461, so we'll put 0.461 here. So we have 2 raised to the power 0.461 plus 1 is 1.461. Now we are wondering if it's equal to 3 raised to the power 2 times 0.461, which is 0.922. This is equal to 2.75, and this is also equal to 2.75. Hence, you can now see that the answer to this question is correct. Thanks for watching. I hope this all made sense. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.